If you're looking to get found on YouTube and you have a small channel, SEO is the way to go. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact strategy for how I optimize my videos, and I will share with you the application that I use to make it happen. Without further ado, let's hop in. Hi, I'm LaShonda, the creator behind Bootstrap Biz Advice, where I teach you how to grow a biz without breaking the bank. If you're interested in how-tos or reviews, this channel is for you. Be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. If you enjoy this content, I would also ask that you give it a thumbs up. This is our way of showing YouTube what content is valuable. So the application that I use to optimize my videos is called TubeBuddy. You can sign up for a free account by going to lashondabrown.com/TubeBuddy. Now, before I get into the features that I use, I want to share with you the importance of YouTube SEO. A lot of people understand that SEO is important for platforms like Google. However, YouTube is not just a social media platform. It is also a search engine, and it happens to be owned by Google. So when you optimize your videos on YouTube, if you happen to show up on the first page for your keywords, you may also show up on the first page of Google for the same keywords. And this is how you can snowball the effect of optimizing your content. Now, not all of us are SEO experts, so it's important to lean on technology to help fill the gap. And that's exactly what TubeBuddy does. So there are 4 features of TubeBuddy that I use every single time that I upload content to YouTube, and it has helped me to grow my account extremely fast. So go ahead and grab a pen and paper, and let's walk through those 4 features. 4 ways to use TubeBuddy to grow your channel. Number 1 is Keyword Explorer. The best way to explain keywords is to think about what would someone actually type into a search bar to find an answer to a specific question. Sometimes we get caught up in really fancy names for our YouTube videos and we miss our audience. So instead of coming up with clever names for your videos, put the clever name on the thumbnail and use the title of your video to help people find you that aren't looking for you. I can see in my data on YouTube that this has grown my channel significantly because the majority of the people who find my content find it because of a YouTube search. So even if you just take a look at the names of my videos, you can start to get an idea of how you can rename your own. Now, the Keyword Explorer is going to make it easy for you. Type in what you think you're going to call your video, and it's actually going to show you a score from 0 to 100. Your goal is to get between 70 and 100. That's a really well optimized video. But if your video title is showing up between 0 and 50, then you need to take another stab at renaming your video. Now, TubeBuddy is going to give you some suggestions on the right-hand side, which is super great, but you can also just rework the title itself. So the Keyword Explorer is how you can optimize your title to help your video perform better in a YouTube search. SEO Studio. The SEO Studio function of TubeBuddy is absolutely incredible, and I would strongly encourage you to use this feature on videos you've already posted. You can go in the back end of your YouTube channel in your YouTube Studio and see where your other videos rank. It's going to scan your description and scan your thumbnail and scan your tags and let you know what are some areas that you can address to improve your search engine ranking. So this is a huge way of you refreshing your content. And this is the reason why I've gone back in old videos and I've changed the name and I've changed the tags. And in some cases, I've updated the thumbnails so that the old content in my YouTube inventory can start to be pushed out in front of new people. So one of my most popular videos on my channel is actually a couple years old. And the reason why people are still finding that content is because I utilize the SEO Studio function on TubeBuddy. I've also generated hundreds of dollars because of this video. So remember, when you optimize your content and you have a monetized channel, not only are you increasing your watch hours, but you're increasing your income. So this is a huge motivator to do the little bit of heavy lifting to optimize your content when you post it. Recommended tags are a fantastic way for you to tell YouTube what your content actually is. So this is not something that is visible to the user, but it's really helping the search engine to decide where to display your content, who to suggest your content to. I have used the tags to put the names of other videos that rank for my keywords to help me to show up suggested. And I have also used TubeBuddy to apply relevant keywords to my video. Now, sometimes I am strapped for ideas. And so if I'm ever strapped for ideas, all I have to do is look in that recommended tag function, and they're going to give me some really good tags to help me to optimize my content. So this will show up when the TubeBuddy plugin is installed. Otherwise, you're not going to see that section. And so I think that is a super great way for you to make sure that your information is being pushed out in the correct channels so that you can reach your intended audience. And finally, best time to publish. TubeBuddy can also scan your channel and let you know what is the best time to post your content based on the people who are looking at your content right now. So if you are struggling with getting eyeballs on your content, just changing your posting time could help you. So make sure that you scroll down in your dashboard to see what TubeBuddy has to say about when you should post your content. There's so many ways for you to use TubeBuddy to grow your channel. I believe that's the #1 attributing factor that I can say has helped my channel not only to grow in size, but to grow in income. So if you are looking to grow your income on YouTube, optimizing your videos is the best way to go. You do not have to have a big channel or viral videos to make money on this platform, and I am a testament to that. So if you want to help out this channel, go to LaShondaBrown.com/TubeBuddy to sign up. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it in front of the right people. And be sure to subscribe and turn your notification bell on. Until next time, ta-ta for now.